Today I'm going to show you how to do an origami heart. Now if you get a square piece of paper, that's all you will need. Now, first of all, you're going to fold into the middle, creating half. Try and do it as neat as possible, and then fold in the lines. And rub that down there on that side to make it sure it holds. Then you're going to fold again, making a small square, and then rub down that side. Now open it up, and these are going to be the lines that you need to follow. Getting the bottom bit, you need to fold upwards and go into the middle line, and then rub that down. Then flip it over, going that way. Now you get this corner, the bottom corner, and then fold up into this middle line here, and then rub that down, and do again on the other side, getting this bottom corner and going up into the middle, and then rub that down. And you need to flip, and you should have a little pocket on this side. Now get this corner, the top corner, and fold this into the middle. And repeat on the other side. And rub that down there. And you get in this corner and then fold that into the middle. Just following this middle line, making sure it's straight. Rub it down on each side and repeat. Press that there. Now you're going to get this top corner and then you're going to meet the bottom. But if you notice, as each corner meets, you've got these that's stopping it. So if you push your finger up here, push against it, and then press that down inside this pocket. Then repeat on the other side, push upwards, and make it straight, and then push going upwards. Now if you hold that side down here, and press on this edge, where it's created another pocket, and hold down here and repeat and press on this side, and that's what you should have. Now fold this corner into the middle to create another triangle, then repeat on the other side, then get these corners and go downwards, press that, nearly done. And I'm going to grab that, this bottom corner, open it up and use the pocket and fold it inside. Make sure these are pressed down nicely, push it down, and there you have it. You have all your hearts. Super easy to do.